So in this video, I will show you how to fix you can't interact with certain accounts Instagram. So if you are having this problem on your Instagram account or problem related to this on your Instagram account, so in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. So first of all, after you open up now your Instagram app, like close the Instagram and go to your Play Store, App Store, and start by updating your Instagram. So I'll just go to my Play Store and search for Instagram like this. Go to Play Store or App Store and just search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram like this, now you can be able to see it. Now go and update the Instagram. After you finish updating your Instagram app, now go and open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after you open the Instagram app like this, now all you need to do now you need to do three things. So the first one is now you need to stop liking people posts. As you can see now, if you open Instagram, stop liking people posts, stop commenting, and stop sharing. As you can see now, if you stop this and stop following, you need to do four things: stop liking, stop following, and stop commenting, and stop sharing people posts on your Instagram, and stop saving posts on your Instagram. Do this thing for like 4 days, 4 to 1 week. If you stop doing this thing for like 4 to 1 week, from there Instagram will detect your account like it is really human account. The reason why Instagram that kept plugging your account like you can't interact with certain account on Instagram is because you are interacting with a lot of account on Instagram. So from there, Instagram detects that your account is it's not really human account. It's like a robot account, because you know there is more robot account that are currently working on Instagram. So Instagram used to give them those flags like you can't interact with certain account to like to stop those accounts from working on Instagram. So in order for you to ensure your Instagram account is a real human account, you need to stop following, stop liking, stop commenting, stop sharing, and stop saving posts for like 3 days or 1 week. From there, your Instagram account will start working properly. That's it on how to fix you can't interact with certain account Instagram. Please like and subscribe.